Hey everyone, for today one of our activities is going to be doing a Gizmo lab. So just a reminder that you should have clicked on Science Ryan, and when you click on that it'll open up to our agenda for the day. And you should have already taken care of a couple of these things here, but we are on the Hypothesis Alien Gizmo Lab. And here, this just tells you how to log into Gizmos. You can click here. You should have the paper that was passed out in class yesterday. So you want to have that with you. And you're going to go ahead and click on Gizmos. And then a reminder here, your login information is to have your student ID, followed by the letters SACS, and then the password is Gizmos, G-I-Z-M-O-S, all right? So once you get in there, you're going to go ahead to your class, and you're going to click on this Effective Environment on New Life form, all right? And then you'll want to launch the Gizmo. And then you have this paper that's up in front of you as well. So you've got a paper that looks like this. Let's see if I can make this a little smaller so we can get both of these on here right now. And you are going to follow the directions on this lab to be able to finish your lab. So first of all, it says here, the vocab is a controlled experiment, hypothesis, and a variable. The new life form this new life form can have 3 shapes: thin, medium, and thick. How many of each shape are there now? So if you look over at your lab, you see that there's 74 thin, 19 medium, and 7 thick. And so you would write that in there. Let me get a pen here. I'll be able to do that. And you're going to write in 74 thin, and 7 thick, and 19 medium. All right, and then it says click play. Do the numbers of each alien change over time? So you're going to click this play right here and watch to see if the numbers of the aliens change over time. So you can see with these settings in this scenario right here, these numbers are not changing. You could also look at the bar graph if you want to see if these numbers are changing. And I like to turn on the show numerical values so that you see those. But you can see there's no change going on. So these conditions over here are right for this life to kind of stay stable and to not change much. So over here are the numbers really are not changing much right now. Okay. Then it says click reset. This is the reset button right here. So we click reset, and it says a variable is something that can be changed in an experiment. Look on the simulation pane. What are the 3 variables you can change in your laboratory? So right here are the 3 things we can change. We can change light, water, and temp. So you can see I filled in light, water, and temp on these lines. And now you've got to do some thinking. It says, which of these variables do you think will have the greatest effect on the aliens, and why do you think that? So you're going to decide, do you think light, do you think water, or do you think temp will have the greatest effect on the aliens? You might say light, you might say water, you might say temp, and then give a reason why you think it's that particular item that will have the most effect. Then you're going to follow the directions and do this experiment to see which one has the greatest impact on the aliens. All right, guys, I hope you have fun experimenting on the aliens here and have this lab done by the time you come back to class on Thursday. All right, see you then.